Hi and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today we're looking at this absolutely stunning, stealthy Ducati Monster 821. This is actually a 2016 bike. It's an 821cc V-twin, making just under 110 brake horsepower. It's a fantastic bike, this Monster. Obviously it's been going for a very long time now, probably the best selling Ducati of all time. And this is no different. It's a very popular bike. It's finished in this kind of satin matte finish black for the stealth look. I believe it's actually called the black model, and it's in fantastic condition. It's covered just under 6,000 miles from new. So massive 320mm Brembo discs and Brembo radially mounted calipers, 4 pots, loads and loads of stopping power with braided lines, and it's also an ABS model as well. For a bike as light as this, that is a lot of stopping power, and you can see the wheels are the lightweight forged wheels as well, with 90-degree valves for a bit of added ease when pumping the tyres up. Upside down forks are in great condition, no signs of any pitting or rust or anything like that at all. As we pan up, you'll see that the bike has got pretty much the standard front end with a bikini fairing and the standard spotlight, standard levers, standard mirrors, and all the rest of it. So it's in good, clean, original condition. Still got the original exhaust in it, but it does sound quite nice. Got the heat guard on there as well. It looks really cool with the contrasting greys and stuff that the Ducati have used on the swing arm. Again, a massive Brembo rear brake, probably a little bit over the top actually, but nonetheless, it's really got a lot of kit on this bike as standard, which is fantastic. Standard tail tidy and everything like that. If you wanted a tail tidy from R&G or Evotech or something like that, you can ask us and we can give you a quote. We do offer a little bit of discount for accessories purchased and fitted with the bike before delivery. It's got this low contrasting red stitch seat. We do have the original seat as well, but it just takes off a little bit of height from the bike for anyone that's a little bit vertically challenged like myself. And there you can see the paintwork. It's in fantastic condition. There's no signs of any drops, bangs, scrapes or anything like that at all. Bike comes with a full service history, 2 keys and all the original Ducati paraphernalia. Again, on this side, bodywork's in fantastic condition. Tyres are in really good condition as well. In fact, the rear tyre may actually be brand spanking new. Chain and sprockets, everything like that, have been well kept, as you'd expect for a bike that's only done 5,000 miles. One of the things about this particular Monster is that it comes with all of the electronics. So you've got the electronic rider modes, traction control and all of that kind of stuff, which can all be controlled off the bar controls on the left hand side. Fully digital dash. This isn't the TFT version, but it does have all of the relevant information you need. So you've got your revs, your ABS settings, your traction control settings, temperatures, mileage 5,707 miles, and obviously at the moment you can see your consumptions as well. Let's give the bike a start up for you. Maybe a bit cold. We may have actually run out of fuel. It's a fantastic bike in really good condition. Sounds amazing. My insurance group on this is not too bad either. All of our bikes are coming with free delivery at the moment, so try and take advantage of that while you still can. Our bikes also come with a 3-month warranty. That includes roadside assistance and breakdown cover. We offer finance, we offer part exchange. If you're interested or you've got any questions, you can reach out to us via WhatsApp. We've got Facebook Messenger, live chat on the website and on Auto Trader, or of course you can phone us or drop into the showroom. That's it for me. Thank you very much for watching and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.